Hello guys, in this video tutorial I would like to explain that how we can install R libraries or R packages. In the first lecture we already explained that how we can install R and R Studio for Windows, and now the next step is how we can install different libraries in R. There are multiple libraries, thousands more, thousand libraries, or you can say R packages, which are designed for some specific purposes, like for time series or for multivariate analysis, etc. So we need to install those packages before applying some specific functions. There are some packages which are built in R, which you can see there's a base packages, so you can use them, but for some different purposes you need to install those packages before implementing different functions. So let's move to RStudio and see. Okay, I will explain these four windows in some other lecture. The purpose of today's lecture is that how we can install libraries for R and why we need those libraries. So I will start. You can clean this screen by pressing Ctrl plus L. Okay, now let's go to one package. Let's okay. This is one of the package which is called FitDisk Plus, which is normally used for distribution fitting, univariate distribution fitting. You can just, if you want, you can just Google this, and you can write fit DISTRPLUS. I searched this already, so this is on the top, and you can see cron comprehensive R archive network. So so you will see when you click on this. Let's go back. So when you click on this with this dist plus package, you will see, you can see, look at this, you will see like this. So this is all about some detail about this package. I will not go to the detail because there are many things. Mainly the authors are these, and this is the maintainer. The email address is also given, so you can contact if you have some important issues with the package. But particularly you can click on this reference manual fitdiskplus.pdf. so you can do this for every package. You can go to this PDF document and you can see the details. So that's okay. So now this is FitDisk Plus package or library for R. Okay, now let's me check the content, and then I will choose one function and we'll see why this function is not working in R. Okay, these are the commands, or you can say the function which we use normally. So okay, this is one of the function FitDisk. So just click on page 22, which is on this page. You can see this is the function FitDisk fit a univariate distribution. Okay, so what's the function look like this? You can read the details. I will not read their details. So FitDisk, that is the command. You can say the function, data, distribution name, and then the method. You can use any one of these methods. You can mention these methods, any one of these methods for fitting the distribution to the data. So let's try this function and see in RStudio. Before that, I would like to generate a data, but this is not a part of this lecture, because I will separately I will have a lecture on data generation. So this is just, I don't have data now, so I'm just generating the data. Let's suppose this data is generated from normal distribution, and we have 100 observation which has a mean 30 and standard deviation variance 5. Okay, You can see this data is assigned to R, and R this the in X. So this data is available now in X. You can just press X and you will see this data. You have 100 values. Okay, fine. Now I want to fit a distribution to this data. The data is in X, remember. So let me check dist. Okay, this was the command is I copied the command, so I just need to paste the command. Okay, this is now you need to use the data, and then you need to mention the distribution name normal. I just want to fit normal distribution to this data, and you can see here. Okay, and then these are the methods, so you can copy. You can use specific method, but you can see the detail of this package, this command here below, and maybe there is an example as well. So distribution, I am interested in the distribution. A character name, string name, a distribution for which the corresponding density function, d name, the corresponding distribution, p name. Okay, so these are different name for distribution name or for corresponding quantile function, etc. Let's see if there is some example. Let me check. Okay. Okay, distribution is okay. Let me check if there is an example. Okay. Okay, let's see how this work. And now I need to apply to mention the names of these methods. Okay, so this is the command now. There is, but this is not actually. I don't want to explain the function. I want to explain why we need the packages to install. So this is the function. This is the data. This is the normal distribution we want to fit, and the method of estimation is this. It's not working. What is the error? Could not find the function fit this plus. Why? Because this package is not installed on R. We need to install this package first before implementing this function. So you can install packages into two ways. One way is to write the name install. There you can see that appear automatically. You can just click on this. You can just double quotes and name of the package. It fit dist R plus. This is one way you can install. Install dot packages brackets, and then you can say parentheses, and then you can say in double quotes you can write the name of the package or the library, and then you can enter. I'm not entering this because I want to show you another method as well. The other method is you can just click on the menu, on the tools in the menu in the top, and just you can see there is install packages. The first option is install packages. Okay, install packages. Okay, there is some problem, but I hope this will cover. Okay, now I can have. Now you need to mention the name fit disk. Okay, you can see I wrote the first words, a few character, and the name appear automatically. Fit disk plus. You can remove this, then you will see many R libraries. But if I write a few others or only one further character, that is D, then you can see there is fit disk plus. So this is okay. I can install from here. There are another way in which you can install the package by downloading, but that is difficult. You need internet for these two methods, remember. So you can use either this method by writing the command install.packages and then like this, or you can write you can go to the tools in the menu and then you can write the names of the package, which if you remember the name, if you have the name, and then click on install. And you can see that it is mentioned that the stop is here. Stop is in this red point. This means that the something is working. The computer is busy in installing the package. So do you need to click, or you need to do other things? Okay, now it's look like that the package PID plus successfully unpacked and ND5 sums checked. Okay, so this phase has been done. Now how you will know that the package is installed successfully? You need to check that by library command library. This is appeared, and you need to name you need to write the name. Okay, the name is already there. Okay, this look like that the package is installed successfully. Okay, there is no error now. There are some issue with my machine, but there is no error now. So this means that the package is installed successfully. So, and remember that you need to recall the package. You need to install this one. If you uninstall, or then you need to install those packages again. But remember that after each time when you start, or you need to call the library before using the specific function. So I will write here this plus okay. So we need to call this library before implementing the function fed-dist. Okay, now you can use that command which we used for fed-dist plus. Okay, this command. Okay, I need to see the name because there is some problem with the name. It should be okay. I don't remember the name of the that how to mention the name of the distribution in this function. So let's me you can see here, you can see each command by just typing like this: FIT DIST. Okay, this is the same. So you can check each command by just writing question mark name of the function and then parenthesis, and you will see it will appear here. It will appear here, but you need internet for this. Okay, distribution. Okay, oh, let me check that command now. Okay, it is mentioned in the method that you need to mention naming the distribution for which the corresponding density function d name. So you need to use this d name. So that is d norm. So you can use this distribution. You can fit normal distribution, and that is fitted. The method is mentioned by maximum likelihood method, and you can see that there are two parameters in the normal distribution. So mean is 30. Yes, we already simulated this data, so we know that the mean is approximately 30, and the standard deviation is approximately 4.77. So that was the standard deviation which we have used. That was not in fact variance. And these are the standard deviation of the mean and the standard deviation of the standard deviation. Okay. So now what we have learned in this video, we learned that when we need to install our libraries or packages, when we want to use some function which is not in the base packages which are built in R, we need to install that package first by using this command. I will let this command for you, insta.package, and then the name of the package. Okay, so this are going to the tool command. You can use this command, or you just go to the tools in the menu and then install the package, and then you need to write the name of the package which you want to install. Like, sorry, there is some issue with the no. Okay, but I mentioned this already, so you can use that. Just write the name here for any package. Okay, you can see here and you can try. I already installed this, so I don't need. And remember that after each time when you shut down or the computer, or you quit, or when you start or again, then you need to call this this function library and the particular uh, library and then that particular library. So that is active then, and you can use that library. You can use any function from that library. So this lecture was all about how we can install packages on R, and in the next we will discuss about some basic operations maybe. If you like the contents of the this video or this channel, please subscribe the channel, and thank you very much, and see you in the next video. Ciao.